Hello YouTube. This is Minecraft Redstone Freak, and I'm going to show you two other arenas that one of them I made and one of them my friend made. My friend is Alex. No, he does not have a YouTube account sadly, but he's my next door neighbor. There's two. This is the one I made. I will show you that after. I will show you his first. It's just this humongous arena, and inside the center, fighting arena with cactus in it. Now, I'm just going to cover it up with sand first. I'll just spawn two on two. Two. That's fair. Because the blue doesn't have much stuff. Here we go, blues. Here we go, two greens. Until they get some stuff. Like that green one doesn't want more. But he's gonna have to. Anyway, I think these guys are ready. Yeah, they're both heavily loaded with weapons. Wait a minute. Let's give them some sticks. March. No, guys, I'm super. But I'm gonna make one of you each king. I think you should be the king. I think you should be the king. Yeah? Don't know who. Guess him. Or whoever gets it. Little kings. Let's march out. And if you don't, I'll get a fishing rod and lure you. Sorry, I had to lure them. They're staying in the arena. These two are coming out. Come on. Sorry they're not really cooperating right now, but that is his huge place. It's really nice to admit. Now, mine isn't as good. Just a whole bunch of bedrock cages. And I was thrown wherever the window is. Okay, I'm gonna get red. We're each gonna get 16 soldiers. Okay, for the green team. There we go. Red team. There we go. Yellow team. Easy. And finally blue team. There we go. And when I'm ready, I just open these. This. This. And they will fight, of course, like they did in my other video. If you haven't seen it, just click on videos on the top of this video or one of my others and you'll find it. It is the red versus green video. It's just a 4-team deathmatch, 4 teams. I think green is going to win because there's a whole bunch of greens and barely any blues. Just green. There's 2, 3 up there. I'll barricade it after. a lot of clay. I think they need to go a little bit faster. Come on, dude. Here, revive some of your teammates. There you go. Revive them all. Colors. Now one of them has to fight for the throne. Honestly, it's my throne, but still. Anyway, those are my 2 new arenas. I will do another video when I update some of my arenas and make new ones. This is the Minecraft Red Zone Freak signing out.